So, you know what's up guys? Yan. Nagluto tayo ng pang-breakfast natin, talbos, daing o kaya tuyo, tsaka sinangag, kamatis. Yan, may noodles tayo guys. Yan, tapos may sausawan tayong suka tsaka bagoong naipon. Yan. Kita nyo naman guys. Sarap. Let's go. Yan guys. Oh, sal muna. Yun, yan, may noodles yan guys, luto sa palayok. Tingnan nyo guys, tapos chow na, let's go. Yan, talbos ng kamote, tuyo, kamatis at sinangag. Sinangag ko sa pinagprituhan ng tuyo yan guys. Yan, sarap. Yan, noodles na may itlog yan guys. Yan, may kutsara, kalimutan ko. Yan, kain. Yan, talbos ng kamote guys. First bite natin. Cheers. Sarap. Haha. So, yan guys. Busog na tayo. Okay na okay. Yan, see you in my next vlog. Sarap nito. Breakfast. Subukan nyo.